What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Got the bike wrapped. We'll talk about that in a little bit. We back outside, so sorry about my voice. I lost it. Couldn't make any video. We're headed to a Cars and Coffee in Naples. Go there once a month. Always a good time. All right, brothers, we are back outside. Guys, this wrap job, 35 hours it took me, and I still have to redo some parts. I got a bunch of failures on the tank and over here, but overall, man, it was a pretty decent learning experience. If you can compose your mental state, it's actually kind of relaxing from time to time. Not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. Brother, beautiful morning, but the heat is definitely coming back in Florida. Got some new riders we haven't seen on the channel before either. Lowered and stretched Gixxer. I do not know that guy. Yeah, he's faster. You're faster. Oh, I need to tune it and lower it, bro. I can't keep the front end down. First gear always gets me, bro. I cannot keep the front end down, but hey, I already got the lowering link, so that's coming soon. All right, y'all, so we got to the Cars and Coffee, picked up a few more people. So now we're gonna ride downtown. My voice hurts, dude. Blondie 1K here, hell yeah. Damn, rolling deep. Damn. This lineup is clean, actually. All black R1 with the white S1K and the white and blue Gixxer in the background. Okay. A little roll racing build. The group's just getting bigger, boys. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, lowered and stretched bikes, man. They got a huge advantage when it comes to road racing because the front end just don't come up. I'm thinking about it, boys. I really am. Drop down in the comments if you think I should lower this bike 2 inches. I'm doing a 1 inch drop now, but should I stretch it? We are in Florida, so it's not like I'm really giving up much handling for the mountains, you know what I mean? Man, bro. Hit that neutral. I found that if you just slow down, if you go into neutral, you don't have that hard clank into the gear, bro. Damn. We picked up a brother. We picked up 2 brothers. Low-key, that's a clean build, though. CBR? Yo, where are these people coming from? $45 miles an hour around those curves is crazy, bro. Yeah, bro, I think 45 miles an hour is a little fast for this road. My goodness, brothers. I mean, we're just picking up more and more people every stop we go. These people didn't even plan on meeting up with us. Downtown next. All right, guys, thanks for checking out my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I know it wasn't much talking today. I was a little tired, but hey, man, it was still a good ride. I enjoyed bringing you all along with me. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one.